What if the biggest improvement to Ram's 2027 trucks isn't more horsepower, but fixing the problems owners have been talking about for years? Ram has spent the last few years making major changes to its truck lineup. The return of the legendary 5.7-liter Hemi V8 grabbed headlines, while the new Hurricane twin-turbo inline-six became the brand's flagship gasoline engine. At the same time, engineers have continued refining the Cummins diesel for heavy-duty buyers. But with all these changes comes one important reality. Every new powertrain needs continuous improvement. Despite the dramatic title, Ram has not publicly admitted to a specific new 2027 engine defect or widespread engine failure. Instead, the company has acknowledged through product updates, engineering revisions, warranty improvements, and software refinements that there are areas where reliability, durability, and long-term ownership experience can be improved. If you're considering buying a 2027 Ram truck, or already own a recent Ram, here's what actually changed and why some upgrades may be worth considering. Why Ram changed its engine strategy. For decades, the Hemi V8 defined Ram trucks. Its unmistakable exhaust note, strong towing capability, and proven durability earned it a loyal following. However, tightening emissions regulations and increasing fuel economy standards pushed Stellantis to develop a new generation of engines. That led to the introduction of the 3.0-liter Hurricane twin-turbo inline-six, replacing the Hemi in many Ram 1500 models. The Hurricane immediately impressed reviewers with more horsepower, higher torque, better fuel efficiency, faster acceleration, improved towing performance. On paper, it looked like the perfect replacement, but many truck buyers remained skeptical. Turbocharged engines naturally operate under higher temperatures and pressures than naturally aspirated V8s. Owners who plan to keep their trucks for 200,000 miles or more wanted proof that the new engine could deliver the same long-term reliability. The biggest focus for 2027, rather than launching an all-new engine, Ram concentrated on refining the entire powertrain. Engineers focused on improving cooling performance, turbocharger management, transmission calibration, software tuning, drivability, cold start refinement, long-term durability. These updates are typical for modern vehicles. Manufacturers continuously revise engine control software, cooling systems, seals, sensors, and component calibration based on real-world testing and customer feedback. That doesn't mean the original engine was fundamentally flawed. It means engineers are making it better. Hurricane engine refinements. The Hurricane engine remains one of the most advanced gasoline truck engines Ram has ever produced. It features twin turbochargers, direct fuel injection, dual overhead camshafts, aluminum block, variable valve timing, high-pressure fuel system, producing well over 400 horsepower in standard form and even more in high-output configuration. It delivers performance that rivals many V8 engines while using less fuel. For 2027, Ram has continued refining engine software to improve throttle response, boost delivery, transmission coordination, and overall drivability. These updates are intended to provide smoother performance in everyday driving and towing, rather than increasing peak power. Cooling matters more than ever. Turbocharged engines generate far more heat than naturally aspirated engines. Cooling has become one of the most important aspects of long-term reliability. The latest Ram updates emphasize improved thermal management by optimizing how the engine, turbochargers, transmission, and cooling systems work together under demanding conditions such as towing, climbing steep grades, or driving in extreme temperatures. For owners who tow regularly, maintaining the cooling system is more important than ever. Following recommended coolant service intervals and ensuring the radiator and intercooler remain free of debris can help preserve performance over time. Software is the new horsepower. Years ago, improving an engine usually meant replacing hard parts. Today's trucks are different. Modern powertrains rely heavily on software. Everything from turbo boost, fuel delivery, transmission shifts, cooling fan operation, ignition timing, torque management is controlled electronically. Ram continues releasing updated calibrations that improve refinement, shift quality, and engine response. During routine dealer service, owners may receive updated software designed to address drivability concerns or enhance overall performance. These software improvements often make a truck feel smoother and more responsive without changing any mechanical components. The return of the Hemi. One of the biggest stories for Ram has been the return of the 5.7-liter Hemi V8 in selected Ram 1500 models. Many loyal customers simply preferred the simplicity and character of a naturally aspirated V8. The Hemi offers proven reliability, predictable power delivery, familiar maintenance requirements, strong towing capability, classic V8 sound. Its return gives buyers more choice. Those seeking modern turbocharged efficiency can opt for the Hurricane, while drivers who value traditional V8 performance have another option. Heavy-duty buyers still have Cummins. For Ram heavy-duty trucks, the Cummins turbo diesel remains a cornerstone of the lineup. Known for its immense torque and towing capability, the Cummins engine continues to receive incremental improvements in emission systems, software calibration, and overall refinement. Rather than a complete redesign for 2027, the focus is on enhancing durability, efficiency, and drivability while maintaining the engine's reputation for heavy-duty work. The upgrade every owner should consider. The upgrade isn't necessarily a new engine. It's keeping your truck updated and maintained. Owners can improve long-term reliability by installing dealer-recommended software updates, following oil change intervals with the correct specification oil, using high-quality fuel, inspecting cooling components regularly, replacing air filters on schedule, servicing the transmission at recommended intervals, monitoring turbo system performance, addressing warning lights immediately. Preventive maintenance is often the biggest factor in extending engine life, especially for modern turbocharged powertrains. Should you be worried? Probably not. Every manufacturer, including Ford, General Motors, Toyota, and Ram, continuously refines engines after launch. Engineering updates are a normal part of vehicle development. In fact, trucks built later in a production cycle often benefit from improvements discovered through millions of miles of customer use and durability testing. That is exactly what appears to be happening with Ram's current powertrains. Final thoughts. The headline may suggest Ram admitted to a catastrophic engine problem, but the reality is much more balanced. There has been no official announcement from Ram that a unique 2027 engine defect requires a mandatory upgrade. Instead, the company has continued improving the Hurricane engine, refining transmission and software calibrations, enhancing cooling strategies, and expanding customer choice with the return of the Hemi V8 and parts of the lineup. For buyers, the takeaway is simple. Choose the engine that best fits your needs, stay current with software updates, and follow the recommended maintenance schedule. Whether you prefer the advanced Hurricane, the familiar Hemi, or the dependable Cummins diesel, proper care is far more important than chasing sensational headlines. The 2027 Ram lineup demonstrates that evolution, not revolution, is driving reliability forward. Smart engineering refinements, regular maintenance, and informed ownership are the real upgrades that will help these trucks deliver strong performance and dependable service for years to come. If you'd like, I can also rewrite this in a more viral YouTube narration style with stronger hooks, cliffhangers, and higher audience retention, while keeping the factual claims accurate.